It doesn't really matter how you choose to live your life, whether you build a business or work a corporate job, have children or choose not to have children. Yeah, before that, you stay single or you want to get married, travel the world or live in the same town all your life, go to the gym 5 days a week or sit on the couch every night. Whatever you do, trust me, people will judge you for it. Actually, it can take a lifetime to learn that just because people criticize you doesn't mean that they really care about your choice to do something different. Say thank you and change the topic, because it is really not our business what other people see in us. It is our business how we see ourselves. A lot of time when we are feeling an emotional pain, we are not in our business actually, because my thoughts and assumptions of me are my responsibility, and that's enough to keep me busy. Once you get clear on what your business is, it's amazing how many of your troubles will simply vanish. It also gives you ample time to understand what exactly you need in your life, and you never should let others to impose their negativity or their hurtful emotions on you. The next thing you have to do is stand up for yourself and walk away. Yes, when you're dealing with criticism, you should never allow the wall to keep you from seeing the road. Some of the times we may feel that what the others say may not be true for you because you know yourself better, right? But I do sense that sometimes I can be emotionally needy with my friends. This doesn't mean I beat myself up about this character quality. I can re-evaluate how I am sharing my emotions and with whom I am sharing them, and see if I am becoming codependent with certain things I'm doing. So whenever you find it's very difficult to cope up with certain people in life, please do stand up, tell them to stop it and walk away. The third step is don't take things personally. If someone you know is judging you harshly, you know that it is probably because they judge themselves harshly. They speak to you in the same way they speak to themselves. The fourth point is embrace a compassionate attitude. When people are feeling unhappy, down, lost, and disconnected from themselves and the world around them, that's when they begin to project their own darkness onto the people they interact with. That's when they start judging the world around them. Treat everyone with respect, love, and compassion, including those who judge and criticize you very harshly, not necessarily because they deserve it, but because you do. Appreciate the contrast and silently thank them for the many reasons that they are teaching you. The last best step is focus on people who love and appreciate you. When you meet anyone, remember it is a holy encounter. As you see him, you will see yourself. As you treat him, you will treat yourself. As you think of him, you will think of yourself. Never forget this, for in him, you will lose yourself or your original identity. Most importantly, don't waste your time judging the people who judge you. Instead, channel your energy on loving the people who love you. Use your precious time and energy to shower your love and appreciate to the people who really love and care about you. Believe in positivity, stay strong, and be happy with what you have.